Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell Webull stock. First, log into your Webull account using your credentials. Navigate to the Trade tab or directly to your portfolio to view your holdings. This is where you'll find all the stocks you currently own and are ready to sell. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any delays during the process. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Once you've selected the stock, tap or click on the Trade button. You'll then see options to buy or sell. Choose Sell and specify the number of shares you want to offload. You can sell all your shares or just a portion. Review the current market price and consider your desired order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price point. This step ensures your sale aligns with your strategy. After setting the number of shares, decide on your order type. A market order sells your shares at the best available price immediately, while a limit order lets you set a specific price at which you want to sell. If the stock reaches your limit price, the order will execute. Always double-check all the details, including the stock symbol, quantity, and order type, before confirming. This helps prevent any errors and ensures your trade goes smoothly. After confirming your sell order, you'll receive a confirmation message. It's a good practice to check your order history to ensure the trade was executed as intended. Remember that funds from stock sales typically settle within 2 business days, known as T+2. You can then withdraw these funds or use them to purchase other investments. Keep track of your capital gains or losses for tax purposes, as this information is important for your annual tax filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.